Hey everyone, it's Matt here. Welcome back to another episode of Savant's Tech Talk. Creating passive income streams is an excellent way to help you reach your financial goals. As a result, many investors have discovered ways to increase their income streams without actively managing them. This might include everything from writing and releasing an online course to running a dropshipping business. While most people are more accustomed to earning passive income with fiat currency, advances in the crypto realm have ushered in a new digital economy that allows anyone to make even cryptocurrency passively. Trading and investing in cryptocurrency can help people make passive income, but they usually require more understanding and skills. Also, with constant price swings and market volatility, it might not be a reliable source of income. Even the most experienced investors are likely to lose money during a market slump. So it could be a good idea to look into alternative strategies for maximizing the productivity of your crypto assets so that you can profit consistently even when the market conditions are unfavorable. So in today's video, we're going to look at ways that you can make money with cryptocurrency. I also just want to make a quick disclaimer that the information I'm going to provide in this video is not meant to provide investment or financial advice. Investment decisions should be based on your specific financial needs, goals, and risk profile. So please do thorough research before you proceed on making any investments. The points I'm going to make in this video are strictly for your awareness. As always, if you find this topic interesting, then don't forget to let us know by hitting that like button and subscribing to this channel for more videos. You can also let us know if you find it interesting by saying so in the comments section down below. Now let's jump into it. The first is earning interest. While investing in cryptocurrencies can help you profit when prices rise, placing your funds into interest-bearing accounts can help you earn a higher return on your crypto holdings. Many platforms now provide this service to investors. The majority of them also include extra features to help you get the most out of your crypto assets. These platforms are also expected to provide compounded interest. So this means that you'll be paid interest calculated on a higher amount than your initial deposit. This is one of the best ways to produce steady returns, even when the market is volatile. And what's the best part? You don't even have to keep track of it. Cloud mining. Cloud mining is another method to make money passively with cryptocurrency. Cloud mining, unlike traditional mining, doesn't necessitate technical expertise or physical mining equipment. Generating crypto utilizing processing power from a third party or cloud mining operator is known as cloud mining. To do so, all you have to do is deposit some money into a cloud mining service provider who will then invest the money in a physical mining operation. You'll be granted a percentage of the cryptocurrency they support once it starts earning rewards. And there are numerous cloud miners available, including BMine and Sha Mining. Some even have mining farms that employ renewable energy sources such as wind and solar power. The process is pretty simple and it doesn't require much technical experience or time. And this makes it a lot more convenient and hassle-free than traditional mining. Holding dividend-paying assets. Buying and holding dividend-paying tokens is one of the most straightforward and hassle-free ways to make passive income using cryptocurrency. It's worth noting that not all digital currencies pay out dividends, and you should always conduct your research before investing. The majority of these dividend-paying digital tokens are issued through exchanges. Neo and Cosmos are two examples of dividend-paying cryptocurrencies. Other tokens are known to provide users with trading fee savings, and in some instances, a piece of the platform's profit. KuCoin token and Buybox token are two examples of tokens that pay up to 50% of the platform's trading fees to holders in the form of dividends. Staking and lending. Staking is a method of verifying cryptocurrency transactions. You hold coins when you stake, but you don't spend them. You keep the coins in a cryptocurrency wallet instead. The coins are then used to validate transactions on a proof of stake network for which you'll then be rewarded. So to put it another way, you're lending coins to the network. This permits the network's security and transaction verification to be maintained, for which you'll get a reward that's equivalent to the interest a bank would pay on a credit amount. The proof of stake algorithm selects transaction validators depending on the number of coins that you've agreed to stake. As a result, it consumes far less energy than crypto mining and doesn't necessitate the purchase of expensive hardware. You can also choose to lend coins to other investors in exchange for interest. And there are several platforms available that provide crypto lending services that you can check out. Airdrops and Forks. Airdrops are free tokens that are usually issued to raise awareness about a crypto project. And exchanges execute these airdrops when they want to create a large user base for the project. You can acquire these tokens for free by participating in an airdrop, which you can then use to buy items, invest in, or trade. On the other hand, forks are when a blockchain's protocol changes or upgrades resulting in new coins. If you have coins on the old chain, then you'll usually receive tokens on the new chain. Now you need to remember, not everyone who invests in cryptocurrency ends up making money. But with enough knowledge and a little luck, there are methods to profit from cryptocurrencies. And if you're looking for new ways to earn cryptocurrency passively, then these 5 strategies are a good place to start making your next investment. Plus, these strategies don't take up much of your time, and you can quickly earn more without doing much. And finally, and most importantly, choose a strategy that best suits your needs and do your research on it before you start investing. So there we have it. We've looked at 5 ways that you can make money with cryptocurrency, from earning interest, cloud mining, holding dividend paying assets, staking and lending, and airdrops and forks. Once again, if you enjoyed this video or found it interesting, don't forget to let us know by hitting that like button and subscribing to this channel for more videos. Thank you for watching.